Hi, this is Sondra from Austin Creative Reuse, and today for Sustainable Fashion Month I'm going to show you how to make a short kimono style jacket out of vintage scarves. So you're going to need two oblong ones. One's going to be for the neck, one's going to be for the front, and you're also going to need two square ones. One's going to be for the sleeves, and one is going to be for the back. Okay. Next, you want to cut one of your oblong scarf pieces in half, because you're going to stitch these two pieces to your back scarf piece. I had to trim, you may have to trim down one of your scarves to make the lengths match up. You also want to make sure you have about 6 or 7 inches in between, so you can make the back neckline. And you can see that I already cut a little half moon here for the neck, and you just want to stitch them together. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is take the square scarf that you're using for the sleeve. You want to cut that in half, and then you're going to want to stitch that to the sleeve side of your jacket, just flat. So you're going to want to center the scarf on that shoulder seam there and just stitch across. Okay, now you want to sew the sides together. So you want to sew all the way down the bottom of the sleeve, pivot at the arm. I just do one long seam. So start at the tip of the sleeve, and I sew, and I pivot at the armpit, and I sew all the way down the side. We are almost done. So next to the last thing you're going to do is you want to stitch on the collar lapel. And so you're going to use your other oblong scarf. You want to cut it in half, but long ways. And if half is long enough to fit around, all the way around, then you just need to use half. If not, you'll probably have to stitch the ends together. And then you can line that up with the center back of the neck, and right sides together. You're going to want to stitch it all the way down either side of the lapel. Okay, so now you have the neck lapel piece stitched to the jacket. You're going to want to fold it over to the wrong side of the jacket and stitch it again. You'll probably have to get your iron out and do a little ironing so that you can tuck that seam in there so it looks nice and neat. Okay. So, lastly, you just want to hem it to your desired length, and you are done. You can hem the sleeves if you want. For this one, I'm just using the rolled hem that's already here on the end of the scarf. You aren't limited to only scarves for this jacket. You can use stitched together cloth napkins. You could also use stitched together hankies, regular fabric. Go wild. But please, Austin Creative Reuse has all the supplies you need to make this jacket. You can either shop online or shop in the store soon. All right, bye.